Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to unbox and share with you my first impressions of the Tunnel by TCC Artisan Coin series. This was released as a Kickstarter campaign back in September 2022. There were some delays with the project, but I've received my backer reward and the Tunnel is also now on sale on the TCC website. As you can see, the set comes in a sleek black hard cardboard box. Under the lid, you will find a link to the tutorial video, with a velvety carrying bag included. The Tunnel itself is made of what appears to be brass encased in wood, with rosewood mentioned in the ad copy. It is hefty and has some weight to it. It is designed to fit half-dollar size coins. All smaller coins can work, but in my opinion, it works best with coins that are 28mm to 30mm in diameter. Keep in mind that no coins are supplied with the set, so you will need to provide your own half-dollar size coins. But don't worry, no other gimmicks are needed. The Tunnel is TCC's version of the classic coin tube. I remember a coin tube a long time ago, where there was a plastic sheet in between two plastic tubes that could lock. But this one looks very elegant and refined. The two cylinders are connected with a playing card sandwiched between the two sections. You can also use a dollar bill, loyalty card or an expired credit card. But since it's a coin effect, I think it makes more sense to use a dollar bill or loyalty card. When a coin is placed into the end of the tube, it magically passes through to the other side. The tutorial is 16 minutes long and shows you the basic method for the Tunnel and what Jay Wang calls the lens law routine. This routine utilizes the copper or brass tube and a magnet to demonstrate an actual physics phenomena. Although it is totally unnecessary for the penetration to work, it is a nice presentation that is included, and I think the pseudo explanation adds a little to the effect. Also keep in mind that the required magnet is not included. You will need to provide your own neodymium cylinder magnet if you want to perform the lens law routine. The best part is it does not require any complicated sleight of hand or techniques to perform. The effect is quite similar to the table, also by TCC. But due to the nature of the prop, this is much easier to perform. The angles are pretty much surrounded as compared to the table. And you can even hand out the two pieces to the spectator for examination, as there is nothing to find. Although the angles are good, it might be more suitable for you to be performing this in an intimate close-up show or when friends come over. I'm not sure if you want to carry this around during your walk-around set. One thing I realized is that although the magnet holds it very securely this way, if you hold it horizontally, the weight may dislodge the Tunnel, so please take note. Overall, the Tunnel is beautifully made and looks quality, and does what it is meant to do. If you like coin magic props and like the look of this one, the Tunnel is worth checking out. Thank you for watching, check out the other videos on my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!